Unit 7 test. Unit 7 is a polynomial. Okay, number 1. Which of the following terms is a monomial? That's only one term, right? So B is not. B is two terms. And C is not. Why? Because C is a fraction. We can rewrite like a 4 over x. So x is at the bottom. So cannot be polynomial. The variable cannot be at the bottom. Monomial is one type of a polynomial. Polynomial, the variable cannot be at the bottom. So the only correct answer is A. All right, so C is not. Okay, second one, which describe negative 5x raised to the power of 6 add 7. So we have two terms, right? We have two terms. So it's a binomial. So it's not this, right? It's not a monomial. So we have to cross out this first. It's not. Okay. What is degree? Here we have a degree 7. Here we have a degree 6. Degree means the power of the variable, which is 6. So the only correct answer is C. Binomial means two term with degree of 6. That means the x have the power of 6. Number 3, add those polynomial together. So the first term, negative 2x squared, add 7x squared. So negative 2 add 7, that's a 5x squared, right? And then for the number, positive 6, add negative 10. So that's a positive 6 and the minus 10. That's negative 4, right? So the correct answer, 5x squared minus 4, that's C. Number 4, multiply. We multiply 3x raised to the power of 10 times, so we have two parentheses together, there's nothing between them, so that's multiply. So we use number times number, so 3 times 10, 3 times 10, that's 30. Okay. And then we going to check x raised to the power of 10 times x raised to the power of 5. When the exponent multiply, we add the power together. So 10 plus 5, that's 15. So the final answer is the number is 30 and the variable is x raised to the power of 15. So the correct answer is C. Number 5, subtract. Okay, here is not adding anymore, it's subtract. Okay, x subtract negative 3. We don't have x raised to the power 4, right? So, okay. Okay, look at all the answers. Let's start with x raised to the power 4. Okay. There's nothing in the first part have x raised to the power 4. Okay, we're going to start from negative, negative, negative. That's become positive, right? So it's a positive 3, 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, now we're going to deal with the x. Here's a positive x. X minus, here we don't have any x. So we don't have to subtract any x. So add x, because it's a positive x, I have to write a positive x. The same thing as plus x. Okay, then I'm going to deal with the number. Positive 3. So positive 3 minus, because here's a minus, positive 5. So minus 5. 3 minus 5, that's negative 2. So I'm going to write add minus negative minus 2. So the correct answer is C. Number 6, multiply. When we multiply binomial, right? So we have to multiply everything together. So first we're going to use the first term. So x times x give me x squared. And then x times positive 5, that's 5x. So this term finishes job. Let's do the second one. Second one is negative 4. So negative 4 times x, that's negative 4x. And then negative 4 times positive 5, that's negative 20. Okay, now we have two like terms in the middle. So 5x minus 4x, that's just 1x. And we don't have to write out the 1. So it's going to be x squared plus x minus 20. So which one? A, B, or C? So it's B, right? Okay, number 7. X squared plus 18x plus 81. Is this a perfect square trinomial? If so, which one is the equivalent expression? Yes, it is. Because we can change x squared plus 18x, and we can change 81 to 9 raised to the second power, which is a square, 9 square. And we're going to check the middle. The middle number is 18. 18 is twice of 9. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So we can rewrite this one as x plus 9 parentheses square. So yes, is C. Okay, number 8. What is the value of this polynomial if x equal to 7? So we're going to replace x by 7. So x squared, that means 7 squared, plus 8 times 7, and then minus 4. So 7 squared, that's 49. 8 times 7, that is 56, and then minus 4. Use your calculator, figure out the answer. That will be 49. 49 plus 56, and then minus 4, equal to 101. So that is B. Okay, number 9. The length of a rectangle is x. Oh, there's a rectangle, huh? Rectangle. The length is x. Okay, the width is x minus 7. X minus 7. What's the expression of the parameter? Parameter, that means we add all those sides together, right? So the formula is 2 parentheses length plus width, right? This is the length. This is the width. Now we're going to combine like terms. X plus x, that's 2x. And then copy the minus 7. So the correct answer is A, right? Number 10, subtract. Subtract. Okay, we have x squared, subtract 7x squared. So 12x squared, subtract 7x squared, that's a 5, right? 12 minus 7, that's a 5x squared. And then 6, positive 6, subtract 10. 6 subtract 10, that's 4. That's negative 4. So minus 4.